Welcome to Big Data Management 10.2.1. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate intelligent structure discovery. First, let's talk about CLAIRE. CLAIRE is Informatica's artificial intelligence technology. In this context, CLAIRE can help us decipher the data that looks like this into something like this. It can automatically discover the structure of the unstructured data and save enormous amount of time trying to understand large complex file formats. This integration is now available in BDM via the complex file adapters and Amazon under the connectors. So what does it mean? How does CLAIRE on BDM work? Customers would upload a sample file to Informatica Cloud, leverage CLAIRE to discover the structure of the file, and then create a model to parse the file. This model can be interacted with. It could be split, merge, normalize, include and exclude elements, and so on and so forth. Once the business analysts finalize the model to be interacted with, they save and export the model and hand it over to big data developers. The developers would simply consume this model and create big data pipelines. Simple, isn't it? Let's take a look at the live demo. This is Informatica Cloud. I'm going to log in into Informatica Cloud. Now I get a list of the services available in the Informatica Cloud. For this video, I'm going to go with data integration. In the data integration space, I'm going to create a new component. And in the components, I'm going to select intelligent structure and click create. This is the new intelligent structure details. So I'm going to call this as ISD orders. And I'm going to provide a sample file. I'll click browse and then provide a orders.json file. I will click discover structure. And there you go. We use CLAIRE to analyze the structure of this sample dataset. And here you can see that CLAIRE has identified several elements inside this particular structure and then also has identified an array. If I expand the array called line items, it has several elements within it. Now let's take a look at some of these. Order date. What is it? When I double click, you can see based on the sample data that I have provided, CLAIRE has automatically identified that this is of type date and is of type format YYYY, MM, and DD. Based on the sample data set, it indicates that it has about 78% of confidence that 78% of my data would match and adapt to this particular date format. Similarly, if I go with something like order status, this is of type token and it is of type per having a confidence level of 51%. Similarly, we have something, let's say, like supplier key, which is a number format, and so on and so forth. Now, as a business user, I can choose to exclude some elements as part of this model. I'll right click, exclude from structure. Now, if I change my mind later, I can always come back and then include this back into the structure. As a business user, I can also interact with intelligent structure discovery in this visual model or in a relational model or using an XML data model. Now, as a business user, when I think this model is ready for consumption, I'm going to use this one-click export model. I'm not going to save my changes, but I'm just going to export the model. And here you go. You see now a model file got exported. Now this model file will be shared with the BDM developers who would then log in into their Big Data Management developer tool and just create new data object. In this case, we're going to go with a complex file data object. Call this as ISD orders. Set the access type as file and the resource format as intelligent structure model. Now I'm going to click browse and then choose the model file that I just downloaded. That's it. I'll click finish and the complex data object is created. Now, I go back to my mapping canvas and I bring the complex data object in. And you can see here that we already have received all the orders, order status, total price, and all of these columns automatically in. And then there is also an line items array. Now, when I look at flattening this array, you can see that I also have all the elements inside that line items automatically identified for me. That's it. The rest of the mapping creation process remains the same. So now there is no more guesswork for the developer, and there is a simple handshake between the business analysts and the developers. As a summary, BDM already has support for complex types such as arrays, structs, and maps across various file formats and storage systems. However, intelligent structure discovery allows BDM users to leverage machine learning algorithms for complex file formats. This allows business analysts to focus on data discovery and developers to focus on data model consumption. Thank you for watching this video. For additional informational videos, please do subscribe to our BDM community site at network.informatica.com.